Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrata. I'm going to be showing you how to create this look using only two products. So let's get into it. So I have already prepped my skin. I have used my moisturizer and my sunscreen for the day. The first product that we're going to be going over here with is this one. This is the concealer by MAC. I'm in the shade NC42. The reason I love this product so much is because this gives me a full coverage, and if you're a girl like me who's got that many dark circles, trust me, you do need something with full coverage. I have been using this product to the core. Now with the brush, I'm going to be using this one by Real Techniques. This is the foundation brush. I'm just going to take some of the product in the brush, just so. Starting from the inner corners of the eyes, working my way out. You can already tell the difference in both my eyes just with one stroke. I'm even going to go on my upper lids since I do have quite a bit of darkness around my eyes on the upper lids as well. I prefer going around my nose just so, rather than creating a V that most people like to do. I prefer just going around my nose, mouth, forehead, create a more cohesive look around my eyebrows. So highlight a little bit. Just gonna take a little bit of product. I'm gonna dab it on my nose. Just highlight the center of it. That's it. Take a beauty blender and so that there are no brush strokes, also so that it all blends into the skin. Since we have not used any product on this side of the face, we have only used it in the center of the face, so it's just better just go with the beauty blender all on your face throughout. And yes, that's what it looks like. We're gonna go in with Bene Tint. This is by Benefit. I love this product. I cannot talk enough about it. The reason I do like this product so much is because it's just so weightless. It just feels like you're not wearing anything on your skin, and I love the effect of that. Taking some on the bond and just creating two lines around here. I'm gonna be using my Real Techniques brush. Gonna end it right here. As you can tell, I do like the effect it creates of higher cheekbones. So you have to work on this product quickly because you don't want it to stain. This product can stain. It is a stain, so you have to be very careful. Little more product. There's a trick I'm going to be showing you. Just take little product on the wand and 3 dots on your nose. Just blend that out. See how that looks. I love this look because it gives you a nice flushed effect with your nose and your cheeks being all one color. I think it looks beautiful. Since I have learned this trick, I can never use the blush only on my cheeks. I always have to go through it on my nose as well, just like that. The same product we're going to be using on our lips now. So there's a trick. If you want your lips to look plump, you just take some product and you line your upper lip, only the center of your lip. Overdraw it just very, very little, not too much. You don't want it to look very fake, just very little. Gonna do the same thing at the bottom as well. only in the center. I think it looks natural but still very plump. So now we're going to be curling our lashes. For the days when you don't want to use a mascara, you could just go ahead and curl your lashes, and that itself will create wider eyes. It will make you feel awake. I don't need to fill in my eyebrows, so I'm just going to be going with this one. This is by Bene. I'm going to see you once I'm done with my hair. So that's about it, you guys. This is the final look. Hope there were some tricks in here that can work for you. This is literally the look that I create every time I'm running late, every time I have to be somewhere on a short notice. I just put these two products and I feel it makes me look so much more put together. I have tagged these products in the description box below, so you can check them out. I hope you like the look that I have created. If you like the content that I'm creating, please press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I will see you soon.